Welcome to my visual hub. Hope you all are good and doing really great. Hubballi Railway Museum is set to welcome visitors. The museum will offer a visual treat with items of railway heritage items used in the yesteryear. It aims at preserving and portraying the glorious heritage of various branches of the Indian Railways to display the gradual evolution of advanced systems in all spheres of railway working. Karnataka is the first state in the country to have two railway museums in a state. This is the second such museum set up by the Southwestern Railway after the Mysuru Rail Museum, established in 1979 by the Indian Railways. At Hubballi Museum, artifacts are broadly arranged in the three sections, within two cottages named Malaprabha and Ghataprabha and the outdoor section. One coach will have a theatre to screen videos and exhibit rare photos. The other coach will have a restaurant for visitors, one steam locomotive, a diesel locomotive, different types of coaches, signalling and electrical equipment of vintage era, level frames, mechanical signals, drawing and pictures of old buildings, books and photographs depicting history of Indian Railway in general and Southwestern Railway in particular will be showcased in the museum. The citizens in Hubballi Dharwad and also visitors from all over the country and abroad can have a treat of railway heritage items of yesteryears at Railway Museum. The museum aims at preserving and portraying the glorious heritage of various branches of railways and displaying the gradual evolution of advanced systems in all spheres. The highlights of the museum: Galaxy of Rolling Stock. The rail transport industry refers to railway vehicles including both powered and unpowered vehicles. For example, locomotives, railroad cars, coaches, private railroad cars and wagons. Ghataprabha cottages. Here we can see glorious heritage of various branches of Indian Railways to display the gradual evolution of advanced system in all spheres of railway working. Malaprabha cottages. Here we can see the station master at station and lot more things. Theatre coach. A theatre to screen videos and exhibit rare photos of Indian Railway. Suruchi cafeteria. A good canteen staff where you can enjoy your afternoon meals or evening snacks. Toy train. Very nice for kids to enjoy the toy train ride. Memorabilia shop. Things that are remarkable and worthy of remembrance, a wealth of early railroad. Ticket printing machine. How it looks like and lot more to learn. Model train run. This model train runs between Hubballi Vijaypura, that is Bijapur, and Vasco da Gama. Children's activity room. New things to learn for kids about 100 years past of Indian Railways. Finally, you can spend a very quality time with your family and friends. Enjoy this one-day trip with your good learning and visual presentation displayed in the museum. We recommend you to visit this place in the evening time to enjoy more. If you are new to this channel, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know on which topic you would like to know more. And subscribe to my channel for more Namma Hubballi Dharwad series content. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.